In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo V40 key fob. This is a really easy process. It'll take you just a couple minutes, and the only things that you will need are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2016 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, you're unsure where to find one, you can go check out that link down there in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. First step, come over here, look on the top of the device. You can see that slot right there. Just put your flathead screwdriver in and twist until you can pull apart the two halves with your fingers. See, the battery comes right out. Just gonna gently remove the battery. Take your new CR2016. When you're putting it in, make sure the positive side that has the plus sign on it and the text is facing up. You'll just set that into place. Positive side up. Take the back, set that right on top, and just squeeze it back together. And it's that simple, just a couple minutes. It really just took 1 minute, and you got a new battery in there that should last you for years. So I hope this was easy. I hope it helped you out. If you liked it, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, come back here to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.